Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to be in Moodle, and I need you to scroll down and find our cool database. When you find the historical figures database, launch it, and then right-click and duplicate it, break it out, and then smack it against the wall so it takes up half the screen. In a minute, you're going to take a quiz on this half the screen. So this database was created by our classes, and it allows us to just find out some cool things about people that did important things. They had claims. And then we had when they were born and when they passed away. So remember, they'll always have last names and first names, unless they only had a first name. You'll always look at the numbers and see a birth date, a date of death, what their claim was, and then you could also, if you wanted when you were done, to check out what they did. We always search using this search box, and we prefer it because it gives us each area, and I only want you to fill in one area at a time. Make sure that you have this set to 200 and you hit Save Settings. Notice when you hit Save, you have to switch back and click Search again. And then let's all do a search together. Make sure your neighbors are successful with you, and let's search to see how many historical figures are named John. Now this movie changes every year, so maybe there will be some, maybe there won't. My records say that there are 6, but then I always need to double check and see if they really are all named John, or maybe if the word John was in the list. And all of these gentlemen were named John. So that's how you do a search and then check the data. Reset the filters to get rid of it. Make sure you're back on the search box. And now pick any month in the year and fill in either the date of birth or the date of death. I'm going to do December of the date of death, and let's see how many people passed away in December. It tells me 11, but then I double check to make sure that they all really were filled out correctly, and they were. So that is how you search for answers on your quiz. At this time, you need to get silent. You need to click on the Modular Technology folder. You need to scroll down and find the Historical Figures Final Quiz. Make sure you're only looking at your screen. Do make sure that you have your search on your right and the final quiz on the left, and search for the answers as you go. Remember, you're not allowed to talk. Get to work. When you're done, you may head to your modules. I'm